Hello YouTubers. Right now I'm going to a oil change a 2004 Mustang. um, all the thing you need is a jack. You need a jack. You need to jack them up right there, and jack stand. That's what you need to do to make it safer. So when you get an oil change, you need to do that, and you need to put a oil in your car, which is this Valvoline Max Life high mileage with this synthetic blend 5W-20. This is for the Mustang B6, yeah, and also for the 3.8 or 3.9 B6 you can use this kind of oil. And then on the oil filter, you need to use a high mileage. Also, if you have a high mileage already in your car, and this is what you can use. It's the HM3600. This is the one you can use them. It's the longer one. You can use also the XG, the extra guard frame. It's the same thing, 3600. And also there's another one, the motocrop, the 400S. You can use that one also. Okay, when you use that, and then when you get oil change, you need to have ready everything. You have the fan right here. You need to get that oil from the bottom. That's what you need to do. You have a paper towel. You have this fan. You have a filter remover. This one that I have. And you need to use a 15 millimeter back wrench that I use. And yeah, that's another thing you need to do. And you need to open up this a little bit so it will the air is gonna get down in there, so all the oil is gonna come down, all the way down. I already start this car, so everything is good. I started like a few minutes, like 15 minutes, run it so that the oil is gonna, it's not gonna be a little bit sticky. It's gonna be, when that's the way you need to do when you get an oil change. Now I'm all the way here on the bottom, right there. That's the oil pan right there on the bottom right here. You just need to do is to remove that 15 bolts right there. See, so this is lower. I'm already skinny, but I still tight for me to get in. And this is not even a low profile car. It's already hard to get in, and that's why I put a jack right here, so it lift up a little bit more. And now I'm going to move that oil right here. This is the one right here. That's the okay, you need to remove that. It's really hard to to work when you're with that thing. There you go. It's only not too tight right there. Okay, just remove that. It's a 15 size right there. Making sure that the oil is not gonna drip on the floor. That. Just be careful with that. I just put it right there. When I drain everything, and then I'm going to do the filter, the last one. I want to drain it first, everything out. Every 3,000 miles you need to get oil change in your cars. Sometimes it depends how you use them. Like my car, I didn't use this for a while. It's been sitting here, so pretty much it's good. It's see the oil coming down there. See that? And it drained all of that. Now I'm going to do is to put it down the jack all the way down, so that the oil is gonna come down more over here, because I jack it up on this side, so that's what it's gonna get level. So all this oil from the fan is gonna go, you know, it's gonna come up over there. So that's what I need to do. Oil right there is coming out, just waiting for a little bit more. I just gonna put it down the jack a little bit. And now, okay, just lower it a little bit, take it off this jack stand. Lower it a little bit there. I need to do just a little. Yeah. Cover it down. So this oil, everything oil is gonna come off right there. Okay. It's almost ready. So okay.